Now we're Krasnodar, Russia. Valentina was travel agent. My dear friend, we have a big storm yesterday, so you can see the result. These trees is falling right in the streets. Many cars was like a flooding. There was a swimming in water. Now rain is stopped so far, but they're planning again. Hopefully everybody will be safe. Valentina live from Russia, Krasnodar.